Trains. Trains are everywhere. But what are they really? Join us in diving shallowly into these great beasts on Fat Farmers Does Trains. Most trains are widely used. Some move forwards, some move backwards. Some trains even go from point A to point B. But that wasn't always the case.
When we first developed the train, it didn't go anywhere. It didn't take us long to realize it wasn't very useful.
After some careful consideration, the creators of the train, which is singular for trains, decided it needed to at least go from point A to point B, if not further.
Here we have a train. It waits at places called stations, where people pass through doors to get on and off the trains. It can be hard to hear yourself speak when the train's not loud. Have you ever seen a train?
Trains come in all shapes and sizes. But not all things are trains. This, for example, is a car. And this is a banana.
I couldn't believe it when I first realized some things are not trains. I said to my dad, "Mother, is this pair of glasses really not a train?"
Trains can be complicated. So we hope you enjoyed watching this year's weekly video. Fat Farmers Does Trains. Thanks for watching.